should be worried about, you know, gotta finish up a couple more things, and the front is just the measurements. That's it. So they're like spinning in here, and these are the bolts that came. These are 8.8 grade, and I mean they came with the nuts and everything, but nuts are good. You know, they're self-locking nuts. You know what I mean? So, or like with the nylon tip, yeah, and they must have stripped at the back because this one and this one are still spinning. They're not even getting tight. So that was the one that I'm more worried about. But we gotta do those two right there. I want to get a couple bolts for that. I want to bring in the ones for over here, Folleh. This is what we're doing. Extra frame to keep it. Yeah, they call it stiffeners.
And then on the inside of the frames there was little X's welded too.
Yeah, we custom on the inside of the frame. We custom welded little like pyramids or triangles inside of it before they were sealed up to give it a little bit more reinforcement.
It's got a lot of extra stuff.
Yeah.
To try to prevent it from actually lifting. Esta es la transmisión, right? Yeah. Huh? 624 pounds of torque.
Okay. So this is the thing. It's like super close on there. I don't want it to be like that.
You cut it maybe an eighth or a quarter.
The other thing I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna extend this. I brought this whole thing down, and I'm gonna extend this tubing so we're not touching the headers at all anymore. Will be completely clear, and it'll just be a straight pipe. And at the same time, I'm gonna get the little thumb screws super low, so they stay nice and hidden in the clearance in between my rack and pinion and the oil pan. So that's why when we remove those two spaces in the back, this will go up. And that back end will come down from hitting the tunnel because it's a little high. I popped them in there thinking that was going to be needed.
I have fucking reviews, dude.
No, we gotta change it. We gotta fill that form out so they can code us as points, not as a matter of fact, this drill coming up, we need to
because from here to here is going to be the shaft distance, and you got to add an inch in each side. So at the same time, I'll make like a little bore on the shaft itself. So this thing, when we put them in, they sit in there nice and they hold on there a little tighter. So we have to go get these guys, and then when we come back, we'll go ahead and we'll knock off the shaft, and then we'll move into building the other caliper. We should get ready for that.
Cool, man.
I will also move into spraying the hoses today, and then I have to take measurements from this guy because most of the power steering pumps are set on the driver's side. This guy's on the passenger side, so we're gonna see if we can get some measurements for new hoses and have it made for us. We're gonna call Pyrex and see if we can get them, have some nice, real custom, pretty hoses made for us. That's for our AC. I mean, power steering. He goes, if you guys have an idea over the weekend, let me know. He says by Monday we should have an FEID and everything we need, because we'll be a company working out of Greenville. Yeah. What do you do?
Everything.
You're doing all that?
Oh my God.
Take one more just in case. That's a 150. Gotta make sure you don't say 150. Perfect. Oh, that's alright. There's nothing in there.
Here's a all these fucking different size sockets.
Yeah.
This is just
Where'd you get that at?
alright.
No,
A
that's
little
the
more.
plug. That's the plug.
Get it in there and get all that paint off.
Yeah, that's what I thought. Yeah.
This is just
Where'd you get that at?
alright.
No,
A
that's the
little more.
plug. That's the plug.
Get it in there and get all that paint off.
Like real early 70s, early 70s or 60s, because like some older like Lincolns, Cadillacs, those guys started putting sensors in the 70s. Honda. Exactly what was going on.
No, he was watch out for the This is left hand side, so it'll mount like this. And this guy, okay. Perfect, okay. Just getting an idea how the house is gonna go.